Hello and welcome to day 33 of Bedtime Welsh. Hello, after the embarrassing no-show yesterday for those of you who are doing it in real time. Sorry about that. So cracking on. Today we've got a new word for you. And it's a word probably I should have been, I'm kind of feeling it a little bit about yesterday now. It's the word for nervous. And nervous in Welsh is a very, very easy word. It's just nerfus. Nerfus. So nervous is...
nervus.
Nervus. Nervus. So to feel nervous is...
teimlo'n nerfus.
teimlo'n nerfus. That's teimlo'n nervus. And we just say teimlo'n nerfus. So to feel nervous now.
Teimlo'n nerfus rŵan.
Rŵan, did you mean the rŵan, yeah? Rŵan. As you hear, there's always plenty of variations around. Teimlo'n nerfus rŵan. I feel nervous.
Dwi'n teimlo'n nerfus.
Dwi'n teimlo'n nerfus. You'd say that in English where you say I feel nervous or I'm feeling nervous. So, I was feeling nervous.
O'n i'n teimlo'n nerfus.
O'n i'n teimlo'n nerfus. One more for today. I'm going to start to feel.
Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo.
Dwi'n mynd I ddechrau teimlo. And that's it for today, so we'll see you again, hopefully, if we remember, tomorrow. Hwyl am y tro.
Ta!